Hey, how would you like to save 50% or more on pocket screws? Stick around. Hey, we all love pocket holes, right? Can't get enough of it. You use pocket holes to build furniture, picture frames, cabinetry, just about any woodworking project you can think of, there's a place for pocket holes. And most of us, when we need pocket screws, we run on down to the home center and grab a small pack off the shelf because we're going to build a bookshelf or an entry table. But that's not the most cost-effective way for you to get your pocket hole screws. When you're at the home center and you pick up your 50 pack of 2.5-inch screws, you're going to spend about $6. That comes out to about 12 cents per screw. But how much you think I spend on my screws? Now I know it's easy and convenient, and that's the price we pay. However, there is a more cost-effective way to buy screws. When I buy 2.5-inch screws, I buy them in bulk. I can get 2,000 screws for $80. Now that may seem like a lot, $80 for a bunch of screws, but considering you're getting 2,000 of them, you're only paying 4 cents per screw instead of 12. Now, if you're working with 3/4-inch material, you're going to need 1.25-inch screws. So you jump in the truck and you run on down to the home center and you buy a pack of 100. It's going to cost you almost $5 or about 4 cents per screw. Doesn't sound too bad, but if you're doing a lot of building and if you're selling projects to make money, you want to save costs. So I buy those in bulk too. I can get a box of 5,000 1.25-inch screws for $96 or about 2 cents per screw. That's 50% off the price you pay at the home center. Now, if you're a DIYer and you're just making projects at home for yourself, then it probably makes sense just to pick up your screws at the home center. But if you're building projects to sell as a side hustle or as a regular income, then buying your screws in bulk makes sense because you're saving money. I'm going to put all this information in the description below so you can see the home center price versus the bulk price so you can make an informed decision as to how you need to buy your screws. If you want to buy them in bulk, I'll leave an affiliate link down below so you can go out there and buy them on Amazon. And hey, listen, a small word about affiliate links. It doesn't cost you anything extra by clicking an affiliate link and going out and buying screws or any other products. You're going to pay the same price whether you go out to Amazon on your own and find that product or whether you click on the link below. But if you click the link below to make your purchase, the seller of that item pays me a small commission for referring you to them. So if you go out and buy a box of these screws in bulk, I'll probably make about $2, which isn't a whole lot, but it adds up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 of you decide to go out there and buy in bulk, then I've got enough to take the wife out to dinner. And you'd like for me to take my wife out to dinner, right? So go on down there and click on that link and go buy you some screws, or anything else for that matter. Because if you navigate around in Amazon and buy other stuff, well, the sellers of all those other items that you buy are still going to pay me a small commission. And that's how this channel grows. I've got more money to buy more tools and supplies to bring more information to you. And that's a great way of how you can support this channel. And it is much appreciated. Hey, if you like this money savings tip, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos on how you can save money as a woodworker. If this video has been helpful to you, please, please, please jump down there right now and give me the thumbs up. Every time somebody hits the thumbs up, YouTube takes this video and shows it to someone else, and that's how this channel grows. I'm going to throw a couple links to some more videos in case you're interested, so stick around.